Welcome back to the AI Free Forever YouTube channel. Today, we are exploring one of the most fun and creative tools available on AI Free Forever, the My Hero Academia Quirk Generator. If you are an anime fan, a role player, a writer, a gamer, or someone who loves creating original characters, this tool can generate unique quirks inspired by the My Hero Academia universe in just a few seconds. Whether you want a heroic ability, a villain power, an elemental quirk, a psychic skill, a mutation-type ability, or something completely original, this generator can spark new ideas instantly. Let's jump right in and see how it works. When you first open the My Hero Academia Quirk Generator on AI Free Forever, you'll see a clean and easy-to-use interface. Before generating a quirk, the tool lets you customize several settings so the results match the type of character you want to create. The first option is character alignment. Here you can choose whether your character is a hero, villain, vigilante, student, or custom. This setting influences the overall tone of the generated quirk and helps create powers that fit the selected character type. For our first example, we will choose Hero. The next section is Power Type Preference. You can choose from categories such as Physical Enhancement, Elemental, Mutation, Technological, Psychic, or Custom. For this demonstration, we will select Elemental. Below that, you will find the Personality Trait option. This helps shape the behavior and style of the generated character. Some examples include brave, intelligent, aggressive, cunning, calm, and many others. We will choose brave. Next is the optional themes or keywords field. This is where you can enter specific words you want the generator to consider. For example, fire, lightning, dragon, shadow, gravity, technology, or any custom theme you can imagine. For this test, we will enter fire. Below that is the quirk power level selector. You can choose low, medium, high, unstable, or God tier. This setting affects how powerful and complex the generated quirk becomes. For our first example, we will select medium. Now that all settings are configured, we click the Generate Quirk button. Within seconds, the tool creates a complete quirk profile. The generated result typically includes Inferno Conduit, strengths, weaknesses, combat applications, everyday applications. Simply click on Copy, then go directly to the top and click on Create Image. Paste your quirk into the box, adjust the settings as desired, and click Generate. After a short wait, your result will appear on the screen. Check it out. A wonderful result is here. A couple of things worth keeping in mind before you start. First, the generated quirks are random and created by design, so not every result will be perfectly balanced or lore accurate to My Hero Academia. Some abilities may sound overpowered, unusual, or intentionally chaotic, especially if you select God tier or unstable power levels. Second, the tool works best when you experiment with different combinations. Small changes in alignment, personality, themes, or power level can produce dramatically different results. And honestly, that is part of the fun. You can generate dozens of quirks in a few minutes and quickly discover ideas you might never have thought of on your own. What makes this tool interesting is that it is not trying to replace deep character writing or world building. It is more like a creative spark generator, something that helps you brainstorm faster and overcome creative blocks. So, that is the complete workflow. Go to AIFreeForever.com, open the My Hero Academia Quirk Generator, choose your character alignment, pick a power type, add optional themes, set the power level, and click Generate Quirk. Whether you are building an OC, planning a roleplay, writing fan fiction, creating game characters, or just having fun with anime-inspired powers, this tool is a surprisingly entertaining way to generate ideas. And while you are on the site, be sure to explore the other creative AI tools as well. There are image generators, AI chatbots, writing assistants, and many more tools designed for both productivity and entertainment. If this video helped you, hit subscribe so you do not miss future tutorials and AI tool reviews. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.